It's a highly sought after treasure. It's an iconic piece. And I can't wait to have it in my hand. Dear ladies, gentlemen, and fellow cryptids, I circumstantially purchased another thing. Well, it's not so called unboxing because it's not a mystery, but it's unboxing because I haven't seen this particular thing in life before. So it is an unboxing, but not a mystery unboxing. I am so excited. I want to see this. It's a treasure and I can't wait to see it. Thank you for your purchase. Enjoy. Best wishes. Health. Thank you. Ooh. This is 100% securely packed. I try my best to be careful because, well, obviously I'm not collecting things from the 90s, I'm collecting things from before the 1900s in general. Oh, look at this beauty! It's a hand fan. It's a hand fan from the early 1900s and it's made of ostrich feathers. Oh, it's so soft. Do we want to open it? Oh, it's so fluffy. It's so fluffy. The color is breathtaking. If you look through it, it's the most beautiful bluish gray. And every time you breathe, you just ruffle the feathers. The construction is made of wood and it still holds it, which is a miracle. Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious. I'm out of breath. These are the moments why I search, and these are the moments why I collect. And now we're going to secure it with our other precious objects. Into the little cabinet. And if I'm going to be able later to find it a perfect box which we can store it in to minimize the damage, then we're going to get one. It's precious. Not like it's easy to close up. It's not easy to close up. And now